Hello. I just wanted to kind of share my new windows by Anderson's. They did a great job. I actually had my three windows right here reinstalled or replaced by Anderson's. They did a great job, really fast, quick. They fit like a glove with hardly a mess. So it's really a great job they did. Installers were very professional, neat, courteous, and they showed me the things that I needed to know, like do not use ammonia while cleaning these windows, as it'll take away the coating. So yeah, great job, beautiful job. Check it out. Matched my house color and everything. All right, see you out. Thank you. How do you turn this thing off?